Hello everyone, my name is Abhishek. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm here to discuss a very interesting topic called Traders Action Area. This topic is very important from swing trading perspective. Before I proceed and go ahead, let me quickly introduce myself. I'm a data scientist currently associated with the largest Indian IT company. I hold a postgrad degree in economics and finance. I'm successfully investing and trading Indian market since 2008. I track and follow global capital market and try to identify near-term triggers impacting market. I am here to share my experiences gathered over the last 10 years, which can be a good guideline for fellow investors and traders. Okay then, let's go ahead. Traders action area is the area in between the 10 period exponential moving average and the 50 period simple moving average. This is the area where we look for reversals back to the upside when going long and reversals to the downside when we are short. So basically, if you consider this particular picture, you see there are two moving averages, one highlighted with a purple color and another one with the green color. I'm referring the zone in between these two lines. So the purple color is my 10 period exponential moving average and the green line is my 50 period simple moving average. You see there are few green arrows. So these green arrows basically gives you the opportunity to take a trade when we want to go long in this particular script. I will explain this in much more detail in the subsequent slides and probably give you few more examples. However, to understand the context, let me reiterate myself. So, the trader's action area where a swing trader needs to keep a focus is basically a zone between the 10 period exponential moving average and the 50 period simple moving average. In generally, I have seen or observed that price action or the price reversal happens within this zone. This area is very important from swing trading perspective because it is observed that most reversals happen in this area. Identifying stocks trading in this area is utmost important for shortlisting opportunities. Let us progress and try to understand with few more examples. This is a daily chart of Voltas. This chart again plotted in conjunction with exponential moving average of 10 period and a simple moving average of 50 period. You see there are a lot of opportunities we have got as a swing trading and we can easily go long in the zone between the 10 period exponential moving average and the 50 period simple moving average. So this range is very important from swing trading perspective. Okay, this is the range I'm referring to, but the most important point I want to clarify over here that just getting a price action or a price within this zone doesn't ensure that you need to go long. There are certain other conditions, probably we will discuss later, are also important when you consider buying or selling a script. However, for scanning opportunities, this is the best way to identify a stock where you need to go long or you need to go short. This was an example of a long side of the trade. Let me take an example where we will be focusing on the short side of the trade. This particular chart is Bank of Baroda's daily chart. You see over here, this is a zone where the price has fallen and retraced back. This zone is basically my area between the 50 period moving average and the 10 period exponential moving average. I have seen price action in such a way that price has moved down or reversed back to the downside from this zone. So a lot of opportunities have come until this trend has moved. Let me show you another example of Tata Global Beverages where we have seen opportunities in the daily chart exactly what I have shown for Voltas. I hope concept wise it is very clear that I'm looking forward for prices when when I want to go long, prices needs to be within the 10 period exponential moving average and 50 period simple moving average. That is the zone or area where I need to be focused on. Finally, the summary of the discussion. Traders action area is a zone in between the 10 period exponential moving average and the 50 period simple moving average. This is the zone where a swing trader looks for opportunity for going long or short. We don't need to be too much bothered about the type of moving average like simple moving average or exponential moving average, etc. The moving averages create a zone that helps us to find long and short trade. Once we find a stock in this zone, we look at the left of the chart to identify support resistance, trend lines, and patterns, particularly candlestick patterns. Hopefully, you understood my concept of traders action area. Please read the disclaimer and kindly contact me at datasciencefortrading@gmail.com in case you want few more examples or want to understand the concept in detail. Thank you everyone for watching this video.